Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Per usual, after every fashion mood board, I follow with a fabric haul. And there were 3 items that I have on my spring fashion mood board, and it is a dress, a pantsuit, and a coat. So I have some fabrics right here, some of which I already bought and some of which I have swatches because I'm still on the fence. The first item that I have is a sateen. Now I find sateen is quite difficult to work with, but this sateen, it is a lavender color. I chose this color for my dress and I bought it's a very cheap sateen. I bought it for €2 per meter on the fabric market. I mean, it's a beautiful color. So that is for my dress. And then for my pantsuit, I have 2 options. So one I bought, and I'm going to insert a picture right there. And it is from Driessenstoffen.nl. And I chose a cotton satin with flower print and a blue background. I really love that one, but I also bought this fabric right here, which is an African print. And I bought this for €10 for the entire amount, and it is 6 yards, so that's 5.486 meters. It is 100% cotton, so it's definitely breathable. But I wasn't really sure if I wanted to go this route or I wanted to do more the flowery one. So I have those 2 to choose from. And then I got all these swatches. Now, I'm going to tell you. So the swatches I bought on Stoffe.net, which is based in Germany. I got this fabric, this one right here, this print. And I am just in love. I made a selection on coat fabric, so I knew that I would be good. I would be good either way. But this is my favorite. Now my favorite is $21.95 per meter. Yeah, I thought so. The next one that I liked is this one right here. It's a little more lightweight. This one was $12.99 per meter, $12.95. Then I got this one that I really had liked. This one is also $12.95 per meter, or maybe was it $19.95? I think this one was $19.95 per meter, which is also a very bold color. And if I put it next to the coat, you're definitely going to see why I opted for these type of color. And this one right here is yellow. The camera is not doing it justice, but it's a yellow with some abstract print on it, and it has a little fleece, micro fleece on the inside that it could still be a little warm. I had really liked this one too. I believe that this one was $12.95 per meter. So I'm on the fence between these 2 because I really love this one, but the price is not really nice. And I really like this one too. So, but what do I want the most? I don't know. So these are my choices. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day.